Hello everyone, my name is Crypto Chris, one of the founders at the Pirates of the Crypto Bean, and I'll walk you through how to set up your trading bot. And I want to thank everyone for being a dedicated team member, sticking with it to the mint date. Here we go. Once you get the file, it's a zip file, you're gonna find the folder where you want to put it, and we're gonna extract everything out of it for use. So I use WinZip, excuse me, I use 7-Zip. You can use WinZip. There's a bunch of other software to do this. We're just going to extract all the files here so that we know where they are. And there we go. We have a few different files that are available for us that we're going to use. But the two that we're going to use within this video is the MT4 bot.ex4 and the PiratesOTC HKT, which is Hanko Trade 10K preset. I already have my Hanko Trade open and ready to go. And the first thing you need to do is figure out where you're going to put the files that I just gave you. So you can click on the language editor in the top left-hand corner. What it allows you to do is to be able to find and open the folder of where you're going to store all of the files that I just extracted. So you'll click on Open Folder. Open Folder, you'll be able to see I already have that file there listed, but if let's just play like I don't, I can grab that file and drop it directly in. Sure, I'm going to go ahead and skip it. Don't really need to do it again, but there, now you see the file is in the right spot. Now we can go directly to the top, click on the MQL4 folder, and then go to Presets. And here is where you will put the HKT preset file listed there. I'm going to go ahead and replace it. Now I've got the files exactly where I need them. Now, in order to actually launch the bot, you're going to have to be able to see it in the left-hand corner. You're going to have to click on the X and close out your Hanko Trade, and then open it up again for it to realize that it has your file listed there. So I'm opening it up again just so that we can load it. And the first thing we're going to do is click on the NAS 100 and open up the chart window here. Go ahead and click on it. Now I've got it visible there. In the section of Navigator, find where it says PiratesOTC MT4 Bot. You should see it there if you follow the first two steps of locating the files and putting them in the right folder. It's very simple. Click, hold, drag, and release onto the chart. From here, we're going to make it very simple. I already have the preset. I'm going to click the load button and then select the preset for HKT. Very important that you load the right preset in the right platform. This is Hanko Trade, HKT for Hanko Trade, and open. And notice the values change within each one of the sections so that it is exactly with what the presets show. To edit any one of these presets, simply click into it, double click into it, and it will allow you to change the values within each one of these presets. This has been a quick walkthrough. Before I transition from this, I do want to remind you, make sure that your auto trading is selected, that it's green, and that live trading is selected here and checked before you click OK. Now I will click OK, and you'll notice that the bot is already working because it's identified the low value to set the pending stop order for when the bot reaches that level to enter into that trade. If we were below the high value, you would see two trades out here to allow both of them to occur if the price goes that way. Please keep in mind that this is going to close your trades at the end of the day if they are in profit. If that is not what you want to do, you will need to edit the presettings to remove that as the option. Please also note that the presets that are given in the settings file, they are not financial advice, and they are not to be misconstrued as financial advice for trading for you. These are the presettings that I am using myself, that I've back tested, and I'm using actively on either a demo or a live trading account. you assume any risk this bot gives in order to trade for you, and please make sure that you understand that you would need to monitor and oversee any changes due to this preset. If you have any questions, if you have any issues with loading the bot, or any problems with the presets whenever you are loading it in, please do reach out via the Discord within the prescribed channels for the bot information.